Does your pet have an Instagram? Are you trying to grow their audience to become a petfluencer? Or are you here because you have a sizable audience already and want to make more money with your pet's social media platforms? Then stick around because in this video, I'll be sharing many ways you can make money as a petfluencer. By the way, great to see you. I'm Joanne. I'm a pet photographer right here in Raleigh, North Carolina and beyond. And some of my clients, in fact, are petfluencers. And much like with any other business, there are many ways you can monetize your influence and create multiple streams of income. So this can go from a hobby or passion to full-time business. So before we get started, grab a pen and paper, get ready to take some notes, and let's chat all about it. First up, if you're watching this video, it's likely that by now you know that affiliate marketing is selling someone else's product and getting a kickback. The most common one that you might be familiar with is actually Amazon affiliate, which I also utilize in my own business. Now, being an affiliate for various brands or companies as a pet influencer or petfluencer is so easy to do when you already are telling people you know in your community all about products and services that you love and recommend and use for your pet. Plus, you get that little chunk of change every month for doing something that really doesn't take any more work, given the assumption that you are creating content such as TikTok, stories, feed posts, blog posts, etc., where you're already telling people all about these products. So to get started with affiliate marketing for your petfluencer, I recommend looking at the products and services that you might already use for your pet and see if they offer an affiliate program. Because Amazon has a huge marketplace of products, most people start there even though the payouts aren't that great. Conversely, you can also look and apply for some of the bigger affiliate marketplaces such as Amazon affiliate, Share a Sale, CJ affiliate, Rakuten, and Flex offers. Inside of those affiliate marketplaces, you can find specific pet brands and their affiliate marketing rates for suggesting specific products or services. Usually, but not always, those affiliates pay higher than Amazon because you're actually dealing with the company directly by applying to become an affiliate through those major marketplaces. And of course, I will link all of those that I mentioned in this video in the description box below. You can also do a quick Google search for things like Petfluencer affiliate programs or Dog Mom or Dog Dad affiliate programs, something like that, and see what comes up. One last tip I want to share when it comes to affiliate marketing is that if you do decide to sign up for, say, Amazon affiliate, and you apply for what's known as an Amazon storefront, where you can create your own unique web page on Amazon.com with your suggested products, you might get denied for a storefront if you don't have a big enough audience or enough qualifying sales. However, you can still create a storefront with your suggested affiliate products by using what's known as kit.co, a free service that allows you to create various kits you can host on a free page and then share with your audience. Also, I'll link that in the description box below. Again, I encourage you to only promote products that you use and actually believe in, otherwise you might alienate your audience. So I hope that the information that I just shared with you is really helpful in getting started with affiliate marketing for your petfluencer. The second way that you can make money as a petfluencer is through sponsorships. Now, sponsorships are a little similar to affiliate marketing, but in this case, you are working directly with a brand where they want to sponsor a piece of content or series of content surrounding a, say, product launch or product they want you to feature and sell to your audience. So with sponsorships, because you're curating specific content for that brand or product or service, the rates are going to be much higher than, say, affiliate marketing. As an example, say you are working with dogbeds.com, and I don't know if that's a real domain, by the way, and they want you to feature a new orthopedic dog bed. For 3 reels, 2 Instagram posts, and a few stories, they pay you $250. That's an example of a sponsorship. Now, even as a small petfluencer, that's not to say that you're not able to get sponsorships through various companies. It's important to track your data, your information and analytics on social media, profiles, blog, vlog, whatever type of content you're creating, and the more engaged your audience is, the more that they actually purchase things from you, share your content, that kind of thing, that's gonna actually improve your chances of getting sponsorships no matter your size. Now, I know of other creators who started very small, charging just a couple $100s for sponsorships at first for content creation, and then kind of working their way up to higher sponsorship rates as they got more experience and working with bigger brands who have obviously bigger budgets as they kind of grow and expand. Because the marketing landscape has changed so much in the past decade, many companies now rely on influencer marketing to help spread the word about their products, and that's where you come in and make more money too. Another way that you can make money as a petfluencer is to license imagery or video content of your dog. Very similar to sponsorships, but instead of creating the content specifically for that brand's company, that product, the content you've already created, and then a company will pay for what's called usage of your dog's likeness through those photos or videos you've already created and posted online. For instance, say a dog harness brand wants to reach out to you and use some of your images you've already created for their product listings and on social media to help promote that specific product. So what you can do is tell them licensing terms and usage, and I'd recommend reaching out to an entertainment lawyer who specializes in this, and voila, you're getting paid for content you've already created and allowing that lawyer to help you determine what those rates for that usage and licensing will be. Another example of this is if you have a specific breed of dog that a brand has in mind for a marketing campaign and your dog fits the bill, so they want to use some of your existing imagery and license it for their own use on their website, for their products, that kind of thing. The other benefit of licensing images or video content is that the usage terms can be renewed. So if a brand decides to renew your contract, then it's likely you'll get another payday without doing anything additionally. This way to make money as a petfluencer is especially ideal if you are a content creator who does all of the videography and photography for your pets, social media, and you're really good at it and love doing it too. Another way that your pet can make money as a petfluencer is being a guest celebrity at events. I know, it's a thing. Obviously, it's not an ideal option for everyone, especially if your pet is a cat who can't go out on a harness or you have a reactive dog. But it is an option if you have one of those super social pups who love everybody, kids, other dogs, etc. Brands and businesses will essentially pay you to bring your pup to their event to not only create buzz and increase brand awareness, but also attract your sizable audience to attend the event to see your petfluencer. I know of a dog influencer right here in Raleigh who has been invited to attend events for various things. And I don't know what the price point is or like what the rates are that they would be charging for something like that, but I do know that it is another revenue stream to consider, especially if your pup or your cat is super social. And the last option to make money as a petfluencer is modeling. That's right, companies need all sorts of pet models for their various marketing needs. The caveat to this though, which is why I listed it last, is that your dog or cat has to be trained, obedient, and does really well in stressful environments where there might be a lot of people, distractions, triggers, unknown variables. However, this very much is a thing, and you can make quite a bit of money having your pet be a pet model. Most agencies also represent a small list of pets, so be sure to research a local agency near you or in your state and see what comes up. It's a lot more common than you think, and the pay for pets can be a really nice part-time gig. So guys, those are some different ways you can start to make money as a petfluencer. Are there any on this list that you're willing to try with your pet? Let me know what questions or comments you have in the comments below, and I'd be happy to answer any that I'm able to. If you liked this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more pet photography tips and tricks just like this. As always, be kind and rescue dogs. Thanks for watching.